Hello, good morning. My name is Luis. I collaborate with Spot Home, and now I show you this apartment. In the first place, we have a living room with one sofa. Now we have one table for it, and the kitchen. The kitchen is open to the apartment, to the living room, and the second part. Now I show you the bathroom. We have a sink and the toilet and the shower. And now I show you the first room. The first room is a single bed. We have one bed and the closet. And the second floor, we have a double bed and the closet. In this part we can find the decks and the terrace. This is the terrace. This is the apartment. It's like industrial. Upstairs we have a second living room. You can This apartment is near to the shops and the restaurants, have hospitals, college, halfway connect with the bus and the subway. This is all the apartment. Bye.